Hello vlog, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha DaLynn. If this is your first time on my channel, then welcome. If you're returning, thank you for being a loyal subscriber. I super appreciate it. So let me give you the tea. By now, you guys have already saw that I have posted at least one of my vlogs from when my family was here, and it was awesome. I really needed a vacation, I needed a break, and it was fantastic. But shooting that, I saw some angles of myself that I did not like, okay? And ever since I came back from Nebraska, I have been on a journey to lose all of the weight that I gained when I went to Nebraska. When I went to Nebraska, I was already in the process of like slimming back down from like quarantine and COVID. And when I went to Nebraska, I was at like 170, which is still like a lot for me. But Nebraska, I got all the way up to like 200 pounds. It was a lot of bad decisions and just not a lot of access to like really healthy food, like normal stuff that I eat. But now I'm back, I have no excuse. When I came back, I dropped down 12 pounds from the 200, so I was doing great, but I fell all the way off the wagon. So today we're gonna get back on. This is gonna be a HelloFresh meal. We are gonna make the mushroom lovers gnocchi with garlicky panko and parmesan. This meal takes about 20 minutes to cook, 10-minute preparation, and it's a total of 620 calories. So whenever I go to work, I always try to bring my lunch. I work in retail, so it's really tempting to just get something quick and easy like from the food court, but I am not doing that. So I always meal prep the day before. So I hope you guys enjoy this HelloFresh video. I'm gonna try to do more of them, just the cooking. I know a lot of people have given me feedback that they like watching me cook, so we're gonna do more of it. And I'm going to kind of try to keep you guys updated on my fitness journey as I go. So let's get into it. All right, you guys, so this is where I start all of our prep work. We're gonna start off with cutting the mushrooms. I'm just quartering these, so some of them I'm doing a little bit smaller depending on the size of the mushroom. And then you cannot see this, but all of the ingredients comes in a brown paper bag, and I'm using that brown paper bag to discard the stems and any wrappers that I have that I need to discard. Next up, we have our white onions. So I'm just cutting off the ends of these, discarding them into my bag, and then you're going to watch me separate the white onion from the green onion. This is important because the green onion is normally always used for garnish, and then the white onion we need for cooking. Next up, I'm going to dice my tomatoes. I'm just cutting off the end and then cutting this into quarters and then dicing it. You do not have to be a pro or professional at this. If your knife skills are not on point, just take your time and do the best that you can. Okay, so now that we have all of our vegetables chopped, we have our prep done, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the cooking part of the video. All right, so as you guys can see, we have 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to add my panko breadcrumbs in here. I'm gonna cook it till it's nice and toasty. Next, we have our garlic powder. We're going to put in half of this. I'm gonna add the rest later. Oops. It's about half. And we're stirring this until it's nice and fragrant. You can definitely smell the garlic. And then we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now I'm moving my breadcrumbs into a separate bowl now that they're nice and toasty and seasoned. I'm using a pot holder because the handle of your skillet is going to be really hot. So please make sure that you use caution and don't just grab it because that's an easy way to get burnt. All right, so now I'm just drizzling a little bit of olive oil in my pan. Stir that around. And then I'm going to add my mushrooms. Adding a little bit of salt for season. And reducing the heat to medium. While my mushrooms are cooking, I'm going to add this mushroom gnocchi to our boiling water. You want to be careful when you do this so you don't splash all over the place and burn yourself. Adding 1 tablespoon of butter in with our mushrooms. We're going to put in the remainder of our garlic powder as well in here. We're going to add our white onion. I am adding 1/3 cup of water. We're going to add in a concentrated mushroom stock. As well as our Philadelphia cream cheese. Add in our drained gnocchi. Add in our tomato. Another tablespoon of butter. Our zesty truffle oil. Actually, sorry, it's a truffle powder, truffle seasoning. Put that in there. I love truffles. Oh my god, that smells so good. Stir it in. Wow, this smells amazing. Alright guys, so we have our gnocchi all done and ready. We're gonna give it a little taste test to see how we did. Make sure I get a little bit of everything in there. You guys see how hot and steamy that is? Ooh. Wow. That is phenomenal. I could literally eat this all right now, but I have to save it for tomorrow for work. So I'm gonna say that our mushroom lovers gnocchi with garlicky panko and parmesan was a hit. So if you order HelloFresh, I highly recommend this dish to add into your rotation. Really easy to prepare, as you guys saw, and delicious. I'm going to leave a link in my description box for a free HelloFresh box if you have always wanted to try HelloFresh. They're absolutely delicious, and I think it's a really, really great way to make sure that you stay on track with your diet and that you're eating healthy and balanced food. And plus, it's like gourmet food. Like, yes, you have to cook, yes, you have to meal prep. It doesn't come pre-packaged, but your ingredients come fresh. They come every week. You can skip weeks if you want to, if you don't want to do it every single week, but it's absolutely fantastic. So if you guys really like this video, this content, and you want me to do more of these, since I cook HelloFresh all the time, let me know. Leave a comment in the box if there's any HelloFresh orders that you would like me to cook and review for you guys. And I love you guys, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, share with a friend if they're interested in HelloFresh, and make sure that you use that free box code. Bye guys, love you. Bon appetit.